sent to them. It's raining. Okay, so Mohammed, since you are here, I'll quickly let me wait for Mr. Chooks to join. Since he said he's joining,
Okay.
so I can't see him.
Yeah, he said he was good.
So I need you to open your Excel, Mohammed. Since you are here now, open your Excel, open your SQL. Just open it down so that you can follow whatever I'm doing.
Okay, I'm doing that now.
Welcome, Mr. Chooks. You are
Yeah,
muted.
thank you. Welcome, everybody.
Welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome. So, okay, so we're going to start immediately. Like I said, let me close my window. I don't know why it's raining now.
Yeah, it's reading through here, sir.
It's raining everywhere. Okay. So,
Chooks, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, boss. Well done.
Yes, sir.
whoever comes
Okay.
can just stay in the background because I want to share and we start immediately. I'm not going to actually wait for.
Okay, you are sharing this email, right?
Yes, yes, so that we can.
Okay, fine, fine.
All right.
So it says you open SQL and Excel.
Open your SQL and your Excel. Yes, I have done it, but I'm going to take us through it again.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
okay.
So I'm trying to open my Excel again now.
Are we opening all the data as by the console on
So
Excel?
just open your Excel, open your Excel, just plain Excel, and
All
then
right, ma'am.
open your SQL.
All right.
Like your Excel, like this, should be open as you can see, and your SQL server should be open too.
All right. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Okay.
My own is still
Now for
open,
the Excel, we are
please.
going to call in the open your Excel like a normal blank Excel. Go to data and import so that it will open in Power Query Editor.
All right.
Like that, get data
So
from
what are we
file.
importing in
Click on
Excel?
data, get data from file,
Okay.
text or CSV. Then pick either of the two console that we are using.
For this, for SQL.
Yes, for SQL. Which
Okay.
reminds me, how many questions is SQL? Are they 3 questions or just 2 questions?
Just to,
It's just two now.
So that challenge one is a different one.
yeah, I think so.
It is okay. Let's see how it
So
goes.
which
Okay,
of the
so
data are we importing?
Sorry, if I go to data, if I go to data, right, I'll go to.
get data. Mr. Chooks, remember you have this already in your system. These two. No, this is not the one, this is the row. Go to the SQL one. Open there are three here actually. There's console game, There's console dates. There's console games. Okay. Open this console dates. Click on import.
Sorry, let me get it, please. You said we should import from
Like you
where?
go to data, get data so that you can open it in your Power Query editor.
Okay.
Pick just one. Any of them is fine, but the first one I saw on mine was console date, so I just picked it. It should look like this, and click on transform data.
Sorry, I can't get my own yet. I'm trying to.
Sorry. So which one are we importing now? That console game, right?
Yeah, console date. Just pick one. We'll do the other one later. The reason why we are picking one is because we are going to save them as CSV, and CSV does not save multiple sheets. It only saves just one. So select either the console date or the console games, or make sure that it's only one you selected.
Okay. Let's select a console game database, Abby,
Yes, you can
or
select that one.
console game CSV.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Console CSV.
I don't know why my own is not showing.
Click on,
Okay.
okay, I know why it's not showing. It's because it's showing text. Click on that place where you see text files and click on all files.
Okay, from text.
Are you seeing it now?
Yeah, let me click on it.
I,
Okay,
I've clicked my own. No.
As you open to like this, click on transform.
not yet.
Transform data B.
Yes, it will open to this place
Okay.
like this. Any other person that is on the call, if you are just joining or anything, kindly follow exactly what we are doing, please.
Okay, so I've got it now. Which one am I choosing? Is it the control database?
I choose
Control
date, yeah, but
CSV.
that was, yes, the date. I chose date because date was the first thing I saw.
Okay, I've chosen date.
Okay.
So this is what the data looks like. Is it the same as yours?
Sorry, I'm not getting it yet. I don't know what's wrong with my own. Oh,
Are we there now?
no.
Yeah, I'm there. Okay. This guy is not there.
So what's the problem with yours, Mohammed?
It's not showing. It's not opening in Power Query. I don't know why.
Did you click transform?
I
As it,
click on. Yeah.
Are you opening it through the get data format?
Yes, I think I click on data now. I click from other source.
Other source. Why do you click other source?
Yeah, I click from other source.
That's why you're not seeing it now.
Okay, I'm to open from where?
Um, Text or CSV or something like that, or Excel
Okay,
is
open
something is
from
going to.
text, right?
Yes.
Open from text. All files. All right, let's go now. It's import.
Has it opened now?
I'm coming. It's showing me something different entirely. Something different entirely.
Like what? Okay, I'll come back to you again. Mr. Chooks, you are here, right?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Chooks. Good. So
Yes, I'm
close
there.
and
I'm here.
load.
Okay, we are not cleaning anything, right?
Close and load.
Okay, we are not cleaning anything, Abi.
No, close and load.
Okay.
We can do cleaning when we are done with whatever we are doing on the SQL.
Okay. Okay.
Can I share the screen now, Gina?
I'm coming. Have you closed and load and it's looking like this? I'm going to do it again, Mohammed, because we have two files to do it for. So it's the same process. Mr. Chooks,
Okay.
have you closed and loaded like this?
Yes, I've closed and loaded.
Good. So go to file, click on save as,
Okay.
save as. Now, under your save as, make sure after picking where you want to save as, you see this place where you have Excel workbook.
Just hold on. Sorry. Let me. Okay. It's still loading. Oh. Just hold on. My own is still loading. It's not.
Okay, while yours is taking time to load, Mohammed should share your screen. Let me see. Mohammed, share your screen. Hello,
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Don't know, maybe network is disturbing him or something. Okay, I've seen it.
Are we recording now?
Yes, I'm recording. So
Okay.
Mohammed, go to get data. I'm trying to see what you're doing. Get data. Okay, from text. Click from text. From text. Mohammed, what Excel are you using? Click on this text files to all files. Yeah, all files. And you can see it now. So select that one, import. Click on next. Let's see. Go back and go back first. Go back. Say my data has headers. Wait, cancel this one. What Excel are you using? Is it 2003? Cancel this. Click on from other sources. Let me see what is going to show you there. Man, please go and click on text again. On text, on text. You need to upgrade this thing. Click on the date. Click on my data has headers. Next. Finish. Let's see what is going to happen. He said, where do you want to put the existing data? Say new worksheet, for example. Click OK. Is this how it came? Wow. Mohammed, which version are you using?
This is
This is
2013.
strange.
I need to upgrade this one actually.
Wait, it's not it though. Go back to that data again. Is there a way for you to enter Power Query apart from this one?
Let me check. Let me stop sharing and check for another one.
Okay. So Mr. Kish, have you done the other one I asked you to do?
The thing is, I even want
Let me share
to.
my screen again.
My system is hanging now, so
I beg.
Okay, let me just use my screen and just show you from start to finish what you are supposed to do. Favor, they need you to connect either your mic or something. It's not allowing me add you. Said you are not connected. Device is not connected. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just show you the process from beginning to end, and then I will send you the CSV file. Let me send it to my phone now, sir, because I already have it saved. I think.
Sorry, who is that? Can you mute, please?
what is wrong with this now?
Stop. Can you two
Okay,
stop?
so I'm going to show the procedure, and thereafter I will send these two to the group because I've already done them. So let me go back. So this is where we stopped before. We loaded the file into Power Query. You have to load one at a time
It's not
because
showing yet. Are you
CSV does.
sharing?
Wait,
Am I
give me
not
your
sharing?
earphone.
Are you serious? I'm not sharing. Thought I was. Okay. I should be sharing now.
Aha. I can see your screen now.
Okay. So this is where we stopped before, like through get data. I picked from file text CSV. I imported it into Power Query. We did not clean the data. We just loaded immediately. So what I want to do now, let me take this sheet out, that empty one. So I have only this. Then I'll come to file, save as. Let me save this one on my desktop just for sample. I'll call it console1. Now, when I want to save this place where I have Excel workbook, I will click on it and look for where I have there are so many CSV. You can see CSV, you can see CSV. There are so many CSV. I'm looking for the plain CSV comma delimited, just this one. I will click on this one and then save on the desktop. I am done with this now. I will remove this one, or rather I can bring the other one before I remove this one. Yes, I want to remove this one. I don't want this one anymore. I've saved it already. So I will do delete. Yes, delete. There's nothing I'm doing with it. Then I'll go back to that data, same process we did, get data from file CSV, change it to all types. This time I will select console games because it was date we used before, and click import. When it comes, select this. It will show you the say transform. Now again, the reason I don't want to transform the data is I want us to finish whatever we are doing on SQL first. Then whatever we copy is what we will now transform. So this is it. It's still showing the former one. See, I should have even just done new ones. I'm going to now remove this one manually here. Delete. That's it. In anything you do in Power Query, if you do not come back to Power Query to effect it, nothing changes. Anyways, anytime you are doing yours, when you finish with yours, close that entire Excel and open another one again so that you don't have to do all these ones. I'm just checking it, but I am not going to do anything about it. I don't want to clean the data like I said. So I'll close and load. Now you see there's a sheet 2 that Excel automatically added. Please delete it, because to change to a CSV file, you need just one sheet. Then go to save file, save as again, put your name. Maybe I'll call this console 2. This one has already selected comma delimiter because that was what was there before. But if it is not there, look for CSV comma delimiter CSV. Don't take any other type of CSV. This exact one I'm talking about. Then click on save. When you're done, close this entirely. That means you are done with Excel. So before I go on, I am going to send the 2 files to our class group now, so that those that want to download it can download immediately and we can work with it. Okay, I just sent the 2 files now to the group, so you can download it from there. Now, having done that, that's just the first step. Open your database. Open your database server management studio. After opening, under your database, what I did before was I created a database called Gina's Internship Project. So create one. How to create? Right click on where you have your database here. If your database, like I told you before, I said open your database and open your Excel. So if this is open, like I said, it should be open and you've connected, right click on where you have this database that looks like a folder here. Just right click on it. Click on new database. Is there anyone doing this with me now?
I don't think
Hello?
some. I'm not following you. I'm just following you. I'm just writing these things down. Let me see.
Okay, the class is being recorded anyways. I will excuse
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Okay.
I will send it.
Okay.
Okay,
Just go
so
ahead. Go ahead.
you click on new database.
Okay.
It will bring you here. You enter a name. So let me call this group 1 practice. Now when you are creating yours, create it with your name. That's what I did anyways, so that I would know. And I did not touch anything here again. I just clicked on add. Oops, I'm adding rows. No, just click on OK. Sorry, file name was empty. Oh, see the problem. Remove, abeg. Okay, don't click on add. Just click, once you put your database name, just click on OK. Now you would see that on the left hand side here, see where my mouse is, it has created a new database for you called group 1 practice. Now on I've already done mine, so I'm going to work with this group 1 practice. Now those 2 files that we just have, I want to add them here. So I would right click on this one. I'll right click on this group 1 database. The particular database you want to add the file to is what you should right click on. Then you see something called task. Go to where you have the task, follow the arrow, go to import flat file. Import flat file, click on it. It will bring you here. Let me hide this, it's disturbing my screen. It will bring you here. Click on next. Excuse me. Then we are going to browse for those files we just created. Now see the 2 files here which I sent to you. So I'll click on this one first because you do one at a time. I'll click on this one. I'll click on open. Then I'll click on next. It will open up like this on yours, just like this, and click on next. Now on this part, this is what you are going to do. On your platform you have variable character 50. This 50 means the length of anything you type on that excuse me, the length of anything you type, the letters should not be more than 50. So click on this drop down here close to it and click on invert car marks. That's it. Look for anywhere you have that invert car again. You have it under comments. Sometimes the comments we make are very long. So click on this and select invert car marks. Please, there are so many var whatever. Look for this invert car marks. Click on it. That's one. Then the second thing is, remember that this data, when we're looking at it, we did not clean it, which means that sometimes there are null data inside and we want everything to be captured there. So click on this allow null for everything. Are you seeing it? It will select everything
Yeah.
and then click on next, finish, close. Now if I open this group 1 here and I open table, you will see it here. Can you see it on my screen now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we've added it. So now we go back and add the second one. Same thing we did the first time is what we'll do again. making sure that you're right clicking on this your database. Click on, go to task. In fact, I need someone to take me through it. I need someone to take me through the procedure, please.
Okay. When you click on the group 1 practice, you right click.
Should I click? Okay, right click.
Yes. Then go to task. Then you go to import file.
Import. There are two imports here. Which one am I taking?
Import files. I
There's
think.
no import file. Import flat
Okay,
file.
import data. Import data.
No, it's import
Sorry,
flat file.
import
It's not import data.
flat file. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you click on next. I think I'm lost at this
Browse.
point.
Browse.
Okay, browse.
The second file, I don't know which one you chose first. The next one. Then I think open.
Okay.
Next. Next. Mm,
You check.
you will check, I think.
You check that voucher 50.
That platform 50, check it. No, check.
50. Yeah.
Put your voucher max.
No, invert max.
Invert
Inverter
mass.
max. Okay.
Voucher
Now it's
max.
not only the 50. Anywhere you see inverter, the best thing for you to just do is to change it to inverter max, because you don't know that the person's name that they are going to enter is a person from a country where the name is very long, longer than 50 letters. So anywhere you see
Okay.
those inverter, just select the max value.
Anyway, you see that 50 voucher be?
Anyway, you just see inverter, whether it is 50, whether it's 100, your best bet is tell
Okay.
it, put it to max. And yes, I will select this one and then
Yeah.
click on next. Finish. Now this same exact thing I'm doing here is exactly what I did yesterday. The only difference between what I did yesterday and today is that I did not change those Excel files. I did not resave them as CSV files. So which means that all the things I was doing yesterday was actually correct. The only reason it was not working was because I did not resave my Excel files to CSV. So now they are here. Console dates. What did we pick again? I'm only seeing console dates here. Or was it console dates we picked again? Hold on, let me refresh. Where is that refresh
Console
button?
date and console game.
But I'm only seeing console dates here.
Maybe we picked the console date twice.
Maybe.
I will refresh and see. If it's not there, then we'll go back.
Refresh.
Refresh
Where is
again.
that refresh thing?
This button that is like refresh in laptop. I think that's refresh. Close to connect. After connect, those two
Yes.
wires, then the
After
Oh
next
two
yeah,
one.
lines.
Yes.
I've seen it. Yeah, we can also see me. There's a, you can also refresh from here, I think. Yes, definitely. You can also refresh from here.
Yeah.
So let's see general tables now. Okay, it's here. So let's see the one we did for Group 1
Yeah,
tables
it's there.
is there
Group one
now.
product.
So we just
Yes.
needed to refresh it. So we did it correctly. Okay, after doing this, um, the next thing is to look at the question that they asked for. Let me see if I have opened the question. So we'll start. Please make sure your internet is on and you're ready to be asking Chat GPT and whatnot, whatever thing that they want us to do. Sure. Um, so they said here, we've done the first part. They say you've been tasked to upload the data set into the database and perform the following. So we've done the first one. Calculate what percent of sales were made in this one will definitely be Power BI that will do this one, I think.
Yeah.
Extract a view of the console game titles ordered by platform name in ascending order and year of release in descending order, which means we'll need console games, we will need um platform name, we need the year of release, we need what else is there? We need game title, extract the okay. So I first of all let's view um so new query. Now when the new query comes up, the first thing you do before you view, you tell it what database you want to use. So you say use um why is IntelliSense something something not working? It's supposed to give me exactly what I want to use. Let me copy this. I want it to use this. Okay, great. So I'm going to tell it to do exactly what I did. If you don't do this, whatever you do, I think is going to be saved in the system's database by default. All right, so anything we do, any query we do now is going to be saved inside mine. For yours, call it your name, and any query you do will be saved inside. So we've done that. Um, now we want to select all. Who remembers the code to select all?
What you don't
Select asterisk,
what do you
Correct.
want then?
Select
What do
asterisk
you want?
then the where you're taking the tables from.
That's it.
From
from
yeah.
I think it's console something. Yep. So let's do from console date. Okay. All right, we can see what they have here. There's a way we used to. Mohammed, what is that code for where you can select to see two tables? Is it that we write another select? Abi it's one select. I can't remember again. Sef. Let's see whether this is how it's done. Okay, this is how it's done. Okay, this is it. So now we can view them, and from here now we'll decide what we want from each of the data sets according to the question. Let's go back to the question again. Okay, so we want this what to He is, but he left. Okay, welcome back, Mohammed.
Yeah, network.
Mohammed.
I'm here. I'm with you guys.
So please, I can't be going back and forth. What is it exactly that we are supposed to um
Do
extract from the both tables?
we have to extract this thing. Extract view yeah, that's the console game titles ordered by platform name in ascending order and year of release in descending order.
So we need platform name. We
Yeah,
need rank. I think they said something about rank too.
no, it's game titles ordered by platform name in ascending order.
But there are some other things they listed there, which means those things we have to follow. Um, Game titles. We will definitely need game titles. We need year of release.
Yeah, year of release.
We need
Platform name.
platform
Platform
name.
name. Yes.
We need um
I think these are the three things we need now.
no, it's there are
Game
four.
titles, game titles, platform name, and year of release. There are three.
Game title, platform name, year of release.
Yes. Try the question again and see.
Okay, this is the question. I think everybody can see my screen.
Yeah. So
And then display
just
all console platforms which were released either just before Black Friday or just before Christmas in any year.
Christmas. Yeah.
Order the platforms by their
Longevity in ascending order.
okay. So we know we are definitely going to, it's going to be a join. So first of all, I'm going to just copy this. Copy. I hope you watch those videos because now I'll be counting on you people to give me the answers. Right?
I have
SQL
to copy. I have to copy everything now for chat.
codes to answer the above questions. Okay. Okay, so for number one, extract a view of the console game title ordered by. Now, first of all, what is the possibility that this man actually even wants us to do this in Power BI?
That's it. I
Remember,
don't know.
remember how he used to give us assignments where he would give you question one, question two, question three, question four, and he will run all of them.
Yes.
So I'm thinking, what do people think?
Let's try the SQL first and see what's up.
Because if you notice what is happening here, it is exactly the same kind of thing we used to do.
Exactly.
That
That's what
SQL
I'm saying.
is giving us. It's answering them one by one. So let me go back to that question again and actually copy the entire question and give to it.
I beg you, my brother go collect money from me. So I'll give you. You don't dey go now. Okay. Okay, no worries. When you come back, I'll give you.
Oh, please, not SQL. This SQL is different from my SQL.
Are we using MySQL now or SQL? Which one are we using?
It's my SQL. What we're using is my SQL.
Okay. Okay. Let me change the question then.
Okay, so to extract a view of the console games, blah blah blah, ordered by okay. To answer the questions given using this, assuming you have the appropriate tables named games and platform with relevant columns, here are the SQL codes for each question.
Okay.
One is extract a view of the console games titled ordered by platform name in ascending order and year of release in descending order. So we copy this code. Let's come here and see if it will run. Let's see. Is the title?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I think we will change the title now.
No. Should we? Because name, I think name is a what's that word? Reserved. Whatever. Select name as game title. Dot name as platform name.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is where the comes. We need to understand exactly what they mean. Assuming you have tables named games and platforms with relevant columns, games and
As game
platform.
title.
We
You know we
don't do
have
we
platform. Let's go back to our this thing and see our table and see the platform we have.
our table names are console dates and console games.
Okay. Then our platform name is what? We need to
Then
get our
the
platform name first.
platform is in console date and
Okay.
name is in console games.
Yes.
Um, so
Create
what I
view
want
console.
to do
Select
now
name and
is
title.
let me give you that information.
Sorry guys,
Rewrite
let me pray and come back. Guys.
using my table names of console. Let me see how it is written exactly. Console dates, console name, console dates, and console names. Is it console names or console games? Console games. Console. Which one? Which one has? Let me see if you can understand what I just did. Hope you can hear me. Network took me out before. Hello? Can
Yes,
anyone?
Gina. Hey.
Okay. All right. Okay, network
Hi.
took me out before. Okay. So this is where I was. That's how I knew network took me out. This was no longer going. Okay. Um. So what I've done basically. So what I'm doing now is what you can do. Is Favor here?
I'm here, Gina.
She's
I'm here.
okay. So you can see what I'm doing with the chat GPT. Is something you can do. Whatever you're. Someone just came in. Anything you're doing, you can do it like this. Modify it to. So let's copy this and see whether this one will work now. Because this one was not going to work. Control V. Now let me run this and see if it will work. Um, okay, so we have an issue. It said level 15 state 1 procedure console blah, 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 blah. The order by clause is invalid in views. So let's see if I can. Is there a way to copy this? Copy, paste. I got that error. Kindly correct code. Okay, so it's apologies for the oversight. You are correct. The order by clause is not allowed in views. So you see that ChatGPT it will give you errors sometimes. It will give you wrong answers or wrong codes and whatnot. Sometimes. Now, most of this, in fact, this particular ChatGPT thing we are doing, I did not want us to be going through all this stress. That was why I was saying that we should watch the videos, but I don't know how many people watched it. I myself, I did not watch it. I didn't have time to watch it. If I did, I don't think I'll be coming here. Who remembers what this one does? This double dash. Anyone? Okay, so syntax error near this. Let's go and see where the syntax error is. Is it because I did not run the entire thing? Let me try again. Syntax error. Sorted console games as select cg.name as game title. cd.platform as platform name. cd.year of release. Let me be seeing this one. I want to be seeing this one so I know whether we have year of release. Do we have year of release? We have year. We don't have year of release. From console games console dates. Let's see this now. Okay, near the keyword creates. What about this one? Will this one run? Near platform ID. Okay. But practically, if we watch this video, this is something that we can do. We don't need ChatGPT for this thing. No. But this one is giving more stress. Let me go back to the question and see, and then let me even. Oh, really? Let's see this. Select song. Let me see these two first. Mm, okay. Okay. For this one will not run because we do not have a global sales. This one, I think we can do this one in Power BI. We can do what's that thing called? Custom column. Let me see the question again. The second question. So we want to
Yeah,
see
I'm back.
console game. Are you back?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need a query to see console titles ordered by platform name in ascending order and year of release in
In descending order.
I want to do something else.
Okay.
How many people actually watched the video? How many people actually went back to watch the videos?
I'm not sure say anybody really watch the video here.
That's the issue we are having now. I want to take this one out. Personalize it to I. Extract. Let me see if there's a code that does everything. Write my SQL codes to solve this problem. Okay, so do the blah 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 blah. Okay, it has been done. Create a view to extract. It's the same thing it still did. You see it? It still separated them. Still did not give us all of them at once.
Yes.
Yeah. Create a view to okay, so create a view. This is a code. This is a function to extract the console games title ordered by platform name. Let me copy this. However, we do not have title. We have name. So I'm going to take all this out.
We use title. We use name. But all the we use title as name now.
But we do not have title, so I have to take this out.
Yeah. And in his
Mm.
question, he made mention of title by platform name. So
No, in this particular table now, we do not have title. We have name.
yeah,
So I'm
yeah, damn
replacing
saying.
it as game title. See the
Yeah,
platform. Do we have platform? Yes. We did. We have platform
we have platform.
as
Yeah.
platform name. We do not have year of release. We just have
Yeah. Should
year.
that year not be a year of release?
Yes, it is. What I'm saying is that we don't have year of release. I'm trying to put the exact name as it is written.
Okay.
Left. Um, Publisher name. They only gave us publisher, not publisher name. So
We'll move
publisher,
it. We'll cancel it.
comma, yes, four. Okay, this four means the just the first four letters are said as publisher
Yes.
initials from console games. That is where the CG come. Join console date on. Okay, this is where we need to look for
Platform.
things that are similar between the two, things that can join the two. What joins the two? Do they have anything in common?
I think what joins it to? What joins it to?
They have platform in common.
Yes.
That's
Yeah, they
that's
have
the only thing
platform in
in
common,
common.
yeah.
So on the thing already even picked itself. On CG dot platform, but there's no ID, it's just platform equals to CD dot platform. Order by CD
That-
dot platform name. Do we have platform name? No, I'm supposed to take out this name here.
what of that? Okay.
If you see anything, you let me know. Ascending
You are talking
order.
about platform.
Like the platform that is here is just platform. There's no platform ID. So I'm trying to edit the code to be as accurate what we have. Okay, create view, console games view as this will be the title of the name of the view as select cg dot name. That's
Mhm.
console game dot name. Yes, console game dot name as game title. Console date, that's it here. Platform as platform name, comma cg dot here. Yeah, here is gotten from console games, comma left cg publisher. Is it publisher here, comma 4. This means the number of letters that you want. Then they closed it as publisher initials from console games. Console games. Something is not right here. What is not right here? What's not right here? Let me see. From I can bring console games here now, right? Uh-huh.
Games.
This supposed to be like, right?
Yeah, but you know the question has nothing like games here.
No, the title. I'm picking the title, not the
A title, ba? That's
when
it.
you are
That should be
joining
the
you,
Wii
you
Sports
join tables
WF.
now.
Yes.
So that's what I'm trying to do. Mm, you'll be hidden. I'm not seeing anything like it has error, but we don't know yet. I'm trying to see whether it answers that question. It says extract a view of console game titles. We've done that. Ordered by platform name in ascending order. Okay, it's here. Order by platform name in ascending order and year of release in descending order.
Yes.
Let's see whether it will work. He said the order by clause is invalid in
No,
views.
don't put that create view. Just select, just copy to select.
But okay, let's
Views.
see. Oh, all right. Hold on. Let me see how this happens. Let me check this first. Okay, so this one is not. This one is the normal join we just did. This is
Yes.
our normal join thing we just did. But let me see that question again. If he actually wanted us, he said extract a view of the console games titled.
Order
Mm.
by platform.
Well, I can take this one out, Joe. Let's see. Let me run this again. Okay, it has run. So let's see. Now we have game title, platform
But that
name.
platform name, yeah, I don't know.
Platform name, it changed it now. The name is platform.
But the figures we have under it, far.
It's the same. See it. Where is it? See, oh yes, there's 2006. So I saw one 2006 in that platform, something, something, in that Excel. It was
Okay.
just weird, sha. See, select CG name as game title. That's name. Where is it? Name, right? This name. Then platform as platform name. That's this one. Then year. That's year. This is
Yeah,
the year.
yeah,
You know, I
release.
was editing it to reflect what we have here. Then
Yes.
publisher, we wanted only the four initials for publisher. That's it, as publisher initials. Then from this, join this on. We picked what could join them. We practically changed it. So let's see again. So we have game title. See, it's there. Are you seeing it?
Yes, I can see it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Then yeah, then publisher initials. Okay. So
That year
let's
should that year we should make it year of release as it is in that question. So
okay, so where is it?
yeah, the year should be year of release. Yeah, year as year of release.
Now let's run it again and see. Okay, like this.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so we've done the first one. This second one,
What was the
this first one, it would have worked if
yes.
we had done the global sales in our Power Query. You can't solve this one here because there's no global sales in this table. So let's leave it. If we are going to, I don't know if we are even supposed to visualize this. Let's see. There's it
Okay.
did not ask us anything about visualization. Actually, I can't see anywhere where it asked us to visualize. So
That's what I'm saying. Because now you said extract, calculate. So that calculate what percentage of global sales were made in North America. That means we have to get the percentage, the number of percentages that are made in North America out.
There are
of
two sales there. There is
yeah,
EU. Maybe we'll get the
yes,
total of EU, get the total of the other one, then multiply.
exactly, exactly.
Because
See,
when he
there,
was teaching us, there was one that he said we should find tax and percentage. I can remember.
see,
Yes,
Mohammed,
yes.
there is EU sales, there's JP sales, there's other sales. We are actually supposed to have a total of, there's even NA sales. We're supposed to have a total
That
of
means the
these four sales. We're supposed to have a total
so
of
that
these four sales. Then find the percentage of what's that country
North
sales
America
on it.
sales.
Yes, NA
That's the
sales on it.
NSAs. Yes.
So that means you need to know the total of these four Then you need to know the total of NA, and then you can now do total of NA over total of these four times 100. That's how you get it. But
Wow.
that one would have been easier to do in, what's that thing called?
Power BI
Let
or
me go
where?
back and open Excel.
Excel, right?
Excel Power Query. Mm, which one has which one has the value? Is it dates or games?
Let me check. I
Okay, it's
think it
this
should be
one.
in games.
It's this one. This is where Power BI is superior to Excel. You can just open to Power Query direct there. Okay, I'm back. Hello, Mohammed. Hello, Mohammed. Anyone here, or did everyone leave?
I can hear,
Hello?
I can hear you.
All
Okay,
right.
I'm back. So I sent a message to the SQL person. He has not even replied me. Trying to load again. Uh, this system itself needs break and it needs to rest.
Well, after submission like this, but I'll give myself 2 days rest, must sleep. Because honestly,
And it's not easy. Oh. It's not easy at all. This thing should load. Oh. Okay, so where do we stop? Oh? Okay, so this is the next one that we're going to do. Okay. With all this, I really don't think that we're supposed to, what's the word? Visualize this SQL data, because if you are going to visualize, what will you visualize with? For real though, what will you visualize with?
The other group used it because they didn't know how to import the data.
what about
Data.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking, because the man obviously, all these questions, even the class assignments that he was giving to us, never, not even once. Please recover or recover or hope everything I've done
email?
is not lost. Oh.
Oh, I
Not
beg.
even once did he take us to go and visualize it.
Even the question
Not
from the
even
question
once.
said, even from the question,
Yes,
there's nothing to visualize there. From the questions too, we can see now.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to, personally for me, I won't even be taking this into Power BI, be whatever thing. I'm telling you, all I just want to do now is get this thing done, then we'll submit to him. I'll be wherever they say we should submit to, we'll add it and submit to them.
They provided a mail.
Yes, we'll submit. The only part is this thing that I was about to go and redo again on Excel. Honestly, if we had even gotten across to this thing since we don't finish our whatever, the only thing that is left now is that remote thing, and we'll do it like that. If I let me send something to the group. Hmm? Don't do that oh, don't be speaking that English oh. What's your name? Don't even try it.
What is he saying?
That I cannot connect to database, one thing to do two
May
tasks.
you no start, I beg.
This thing affected me twice, abi 3 times inside the class. I kept asking the instructor. This was why I was asking him, what do we do when we have this kind of this thing? Me, I had it like 3 times, and the 3 times, the only thing I did was to uninstall everything. See, let me try again. This kind of wahala of my system self restarting on its own. System don't tire, abeg. I wanted him to even teach us, because you don't even know when this thing is going to affect you. See now,
Ah, oh boy.
the server was not found or was not specified that the instance name is correct after approval is configured to allow. Okay, oh. If you notice, you see this is even the third one I'm using now,
Hmm.
because the other ones, it's Windows authentication we are using, Abby.
Yes.
Options. I did not do anything now. Maybe I will just pack up this thing. This thing just frustrating me. Someone else should get ready to host, oh, because me, I don't have that. Let me see if I can save this first. Save. If it doesn't work, someone will host and someone will share, and then we'll work with the person's from the person's own system. So I cannot go through this whole uninstalling, installing again. Ah, I don't have the strength. Cancel. I'm not doing. Let me try and open it again. Who is ready to host, please?
Where are we starting from?
Since I sent the data to our to
Yes, I saw
our,
it.
have you put it in your system?
No, because my system just off. They brought my light now, so I'm trying to start. Let me see. In the next 10 minutes, I think it should be okay.
All right.
Copy message. Let me go ask ChatGPT whether it will have help.
Be like say this data analysis, I go buy new laptop. Oh. Just buy seriously. My office laptop wey I dey use, I no fit do SQL, I no fit do Tableau. My own laptop now, I no fit do much from my own personal laptop. So
Upgrade.
I need to close eye go my laptop.
That's the word you use to upgrade.
I just kukuma comot eye from my office laptop. This one the
Okay, open SQL server configuration. Now you're talking. Tell me step
yes,
by step. Let me stop sharing so that am I sharing already? Yes, let me stop sharing. Uh, no, I'm not sharing. So, Mr. Shooks, if you are ready, you can
yeah,
share because I want to sort
okay,
out
okay.
the issue with this thing. I need to go. Open SQL server configuration. Simulation.
Oh, today not today. Just hold on. I'm getting ready. Okay. This system is slow today. Why? Why? all, all the days of the week that today where this thing they do slow movements.
Gina, what's up?
I'm trying to see what will work right now. I don't even know.
Settings,
Standard
how bad?
their TCP IP protocol is enabled. I don't know why it's today of all this that this thing will happen.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Like say man just see myself say Monday don't reach like this thing don't finish. I swear.
No other person in the class has their system up that we can do this together.
Statics, what's up? What's going on? You don't log out self.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
My system is on, but I am very far from where we are. So I don't know if we can navigate through it.
Do you have the files I sent on the group?
Yes, I do.
And save them to your system.
Yes, I have saved them, but I will need to get the StreamYard and then because I'm using my phone. Okay, let me try joining from my system.
Right.
Hey, the camera is on. So this one light display. Um, can someone let me
What do you say?
Can someone let me in, abeg?
Okay, Gina.
She's in, oh,
I've been
she's in. I've
shouting,
already
but
added
nobody's
her.
hearing me.
You have been added. Maybe you should just.
I went to get my charger, my laptop
All right.
charger, so I don't know if something have been said already. Okay. What am I supposed to do, please?
Are you share? You share a screen, let's see.
That's I should present.
Yeah, you see sharing there. Is that are you back? One is season two. Francis, can you maybe put off one of your this thing?
Okay. Okay.
Who is sharing, please? Hello? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Me.
Should I share my screen now? It's like Francis is not ready. Hello.
Hi. I don't know if
Papa.
other people are hearing you. You can share.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah.
Can you both hear me?
What's up?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back. I've
Can
turned
I
this
share my
to.
screen?
Don't worry, I'm fine. Let me share my screen. I've turned to database troubleshooter. Wow. Voila. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, we can
So
see.
what I did was I could not retrieve the former database. I had to go online and find how to go into then see what I've been doing since. So this is back end of database. I had to go and start one former one before that stopped. It's all good. We're all learning. All right, it's here. Let me see if I can call back the file that we worked on before. Whether it's even saved, sef, I don't even know. Project or solution. Oh, nothing is here. Oh.
Hey.
Well, if it's not there, no wahala. I will start again. No query.
Ah,
At least we know what we are doing this time. Use as a done.
let me see. I want learn data analysis too.
Eh?
I said, let me see. I want learn data analysis.
We learn am now. Select all from we are not doing badly. We're not doing badly. I mean, even all these small, small things that we can do self, it's a lot. Okay, so mm, where is that code self? Sure, this was it. No, this
First
was
one.
not it.
No, this is not the one.
That was not it. I
I
think
think it
this
should
is
be game view,
yeah,
create view. I
this
think
is
that's
it.
the one.
Yes. Mm, come back here, Control V, and look out this one. We don't want that one. Title. This one was name. Um, this one was just platform, if I'm not mistaken. This one was year. We now decided to call it as um year of release. Abi, am I correct?
Yes.
Mohammed. Okay, year of release. Then this one was just publisher. Mm, this one I took this one there. this one, I took this one there. Then we joined them on, what did we join them on? I think it was platform. This one was here. Okay, let's see. Fingers crossed everything works. Okay, so we're back to business. All right. Um, let's quickly go now. The question, I need someone. Let me see. So that's the first one. Then display all console platforms released either just before Black Friday or before. Then this one. Let's see how this one will run. Control V. Select all from console dates where dates this one is here. We don't have date in I'm coming. I want to view this one and see how it looks like. Okay. All right. Okay, so we want to see dates. What did that question say again? For display all console platforms which were released either just before released released. So we have two dates here. So this first one will be the released. So this one will be where okay, I think that's it. First retail availability in someone coming in. Okay. Oh, come back. Okay, so what we're trying to do here now is in between. Let me go back to that question again because that question is a little bit tricky. Because it says
Which question?
this one display all console platforms which were released either just before Black Friday or just
Oh,
before Christmas in any year, not in every year, which means we can pick
any
any
year.
year.
Yeah, work on it.
Okay, so this one is giving us 2000. Do we have 2020 in this data?
Let me
No.
check.
And now I'm using, if you notice, I'm using this first retail availability, which means when it first entered the market. If I'm correct, yes, that's what it means. When the game was first released, when it first entered the market. So
There is no
what
2020 here.
I'm trying to look for the dates that even has 12 or something like that. Okay, this one has 2007.
There is there is 2004, right?
Hmm, okay, so we can change it to 2004. Is this the format? Yes, this is the format. 2004, 11th, 27th. So we have a 2004 that has this. Other,
In
okay,
our
let's
data.
see. Okay. Invalid column name, release date. I thought I took out release date. Oh no. Release date is not here now. It's first. So you see what's happening? Nothing was released in this year between that time and that time. So
Okay.
let's change here to 2007. Let's increase the date and see. Nothing else. So let's see.
Let's go back and choose one date like that.
I want to choose only dates. I want to see only dates. I don't want to see down. I want to do something here. I want to say order by first ASC, so that we can even see how this. All right, so see it. The earliest date we have here is 1977, and the last date we have is 2013. And we are telling it between this time to this time. So I need a year that, how do I put it? Okay, 2004. It does not get to 2000 hold on, 2004. We have one here, but that's in 2004 does not get there. Seems like 2004 is the only one that even has um December. Let me see that question again and see if I can edit it. Um or just before released. Okay, which were either released just before Black Friday or just before Christmas in any year, which means we don't know when it's going to end, but something that was released just before Black Friday or before Christmas. So let's see. This comma, what does this comma do? What if I want to put between this and this?
I think that comma is to differentiate column. Is it column or data set? Also, so that's what the comma is for.
There's one now. So we're going to leave this one like this. I think that one is okay.
Okay, that is no PSP 2004.
That was the only one released then. So let's see. This is the right thing I think we are doing. I don't believe that we are supposed to put this in Power BI. Because
Same
even when
here.
I mentioned Power BI to him, there was a way he answered me like, Power BI. I now said, no, we are trying to do it on SQL, but we don't know how to load it. He said, okay, we'll get back to us. And he's still getting back to us at this time now. But they say all console platforms. Is that thing? Okay, okay, it's correct. So let's see the next one. Oh, Jesus. The next one says Order the platforms by their longevity in ascending order. That means the platform which was available for the longest at the bottom. Demonstrate okay. There's something I'm not seeing. Mm. So I guess something I did not add. I think it's mm, let me see again. It was done. That one was done here. Can you hear me, Mohammed?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Well, that one was done here. That question that says, um, let me go back to the question that says this question that says, order the platforms by oh Jesus by their longevity in ascending order has been done.
In
So we are coming now on
demonstrate how to deal with the game year column if the client wants to correct or to differentiate data.
yes. I think I said demonstrate how to do that's this one
Yes.
that you gave us here. There's one other thing I wanted to do for us, and
Alright.
then we are done with this. That's this part of copy. Yeah, I don't even have time. How do I delete this thing now? In the meanwhile, let's see this one. He said, adjust no demonstrate how to deal with game year column if the client wants to convert it to a different type. He said, okay, this one is we teaching
Alter.
the yeah, we teaching them how to yes, that's the alter.
That's we demonstrate it. We are not really working on as calculation, right?
No, we're not working on it. He says so that's
We
where this
demonstrate.
comment comes in. First, in other words, first add what's that question? You know what? We are going to copy back those questions and put there just like we did it for our classes.
Previous ones. Yes. Demonstrate how to deal with game year column if the client wants to convert it to a different data type.
Like all these ones
Provide
now. I'm intentionally taking out that one. Me, I don't know how to do that one. I don't have the strength right now. I'm tired, I beg.
question number. Is it number one question, right?
Yes, because that one we
See,
should have done it in the Power Query editor before we bring it here and I not get strength. Control V. So dash dash.
I think what it say here, the part GTP said we should select some of them like this.
Okay. So I guess this answers
Question number 6, right? Yeah.
this. Then
And then one, the last question too, we have to provide recommendations too.
yeah. That's that one. Then this one is for how to deal with identify missing data. Start by identifying. Hmm.
So, delete.
All these things should be they not teach me. I know they do.
Which one? That last one.
Yeah. As far as I'm concerned, eh? Oh, we're not done. No. This one now, for example, say demonstrate how to deal with the game year column if the client
Yes.
wants to. Okay, so let's see it. So we're going to actually make it Control Z. A console games. I just wanted to see what I'm going to be putting. Console games. Add column.
The column.
Game year new int. Okay, that's fine. Update the column with the converted values from the original column. Is it console date abi console games I just removed from there? Console games abi?
Date.
Oh, Control Z, Z. No, it was console games.
Also games, yeah.
Set game year new equals to cast year. But we don't have year of release.
But we have here.
Yes, assigned. So we'll drop column year. Rename the new column to the original column name if needed. So
Sorry, Regina, I'll be back. I want to do something.
change column game year,
Game date.
new year, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I'm not going to run it, but
Yeah.
that's
It's
for
a
the second
recommendation.
question. What did they ask us to do for the second question?
Now na to design database o. You have been tasked to investigate the correct design of the database. If the design is found to be inefficient for online transaction processing, then you need to redesign the database.
So that means we need to still see that data in Excel.
Yes.
Hmm.
Let me run by ChatGPT. Let me see what it says.
Well, let me go and save this one.
Where is Mr. Chooks? Is it here? So
Yeah, I'm
Mm.
still here.
all right, sir.
Console query. I'll save it and download so it's easy for me to see. Data. So we have challenge one. We
Yes.
have
P9
what
OLT.
is it, the two of them?
I think it should be their first one. Let me run them on Excel. Let me see what it is.
That's what I'm trying to do now.
Okay, I think it should be the two of them. The other one is showing okay transact timestamp. Let me see the other one.
News source. I want to see it.
I think they are the same thing, no?
The two of them.
Yes. They are the same thing.
So what are they now to? These things were made intentionally to stress somebody.
Ah, they are the same thing.
Thank
Check through.
you. I'll take out the other one. I don't think any of this has visualization, because what did they say we should do? It said if the something something is not something.
There is no
Okay,
visualization here.
they are not sure if their database can handle the amount of transactions that will come with the increased number of customers. You have been tasked to investigate the current design of the database. If the design is found to be inefficient for online transaction, then you need to redesign the database.
Yes.
So why are the other people using Power BI now?
See, but some human beings at times now.
They come dey make person dey feel as if, so I think we'll create another database for this one. Then let me still ask. Is this whole thing?
and gentlemen, this is it. The long-awaited iPhone 14 Pro Max Android. You can see the lightning cable, the warranty card, the SIM ejector. So this phone is an exact
How
replica.
do I go about this?
This task.
Please, which of the files did you open?
Hmm?
Which
The,
file did you open?
the challenge one and the
Database.
other one are the same. We opened the both of them and noticed that the two of them are the same.
The challenge one and which one, please?
Um, one that has more than a PT something something. It's inside
Okay,
the SQL too. The two of them are the same, so we just took one. We noticed that
okay,
two of them are the same thing.
okay. Thank
Um,
you.
understand business requirements, meet with stakeholders. That's real time now. So what am I supposed to do? Perform
Omo,
database performance analysis.
this one wey the charge they put something comot like this.
Optimize existing.
Queries. Omo,
Give me practical steps to do this on my SQL.
I dey see 11 steps wey I dey see here. I no understand whether na the same question wey I ask her and they give me the answer.
Okay, now I knew it.
Wetin
I
talk?
knew. I'm seeing things like Apache. Oh, hmm. Okay, so practically we need to load it into a database first.
Sure say na
Yeah.
wait.
They say use my SQL profiling tools like explain and show status to identify slow or inefficient queries. This one, exactly, I don't even know exactly what they wanted us to do on this one. And this girl was telling me that they did. Eh, she said they did.
Why we just dey deceive ourselves, I swear.
Assist. You said they did Power BI and what? I'm like Power BI on this thing. Okay. You have been tasked to investigate. What they should have been asking us in this question is practically what we should do and what? What
So now
exactly?
we have to be certain now if this data set is alright to be used
Yeah.
before we know whether it has to be redesigned or not.
First of all, let's save this as a CSV file. Save as. I know, yeah, when you're done saving as a CSV, before you can call it on your database, please close the file in your Excel. Otherwise, you have issues. So I do not even know what they want us to do.
Gina, please, can you kind of do that again? How you imported the file?
So I just right clicked on database that you want to add the file to. So you can see I have different databases. I right click on that one, go to task.
Did you create the database?
Oh yeah, to create a database, just right click on this folder database and click on new database. Enter your
Okay.
database name and click on OK to create for you. That's just how to create a database. Okay, so
Thank
having
you.
created a database now, and you want to add your files to it, right click on that particular exact database, go to task, import flat file, but the file must have been saved as a CSV file. That was the issue I was having yesterday. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Now, the reason why we click on allow null is because most of the times, like now, we've not checked this data. If you say you are not allowing null figure or null whatever, it might be difficult. Then here you can change these ones to max. Like I said, you don't know the okay. Now float. Hmm. Why how float is different from integers is that float allows for decimal figures. Like if you are dealing with money and anything that has point something something, float is your data type that you want to use. Then for whole numbers we use integer. Then for you can use big integer for say things that would accommodate a lot of digits. You can use big integer for it. Mm, I think that's it. Okay. Oh Jesus, we're done now. I think someone came in. Mohammed and Chisom. Can't add more than. And I'm still sharing. Okay. So that's where we are now. At this point, we need idea. What else do you think we can do with this data? Because right
Yeah.
now,
So,
no,
uh, have you run it? What is this? What is the issue?
I've not run it. I want to view it. The shopping data.
Okay,
So
let's view.
anytime you are you are starting a query, please use query to tell it which database you want to use. Otherwise, all these things you are doing would be saving inside a default database system. So now that I've done that, we do from shopping. Oh, it's not showing. I know why it's not showing. I need to refresh first. Okay. What is it? Let me see. Execute. Okay, so this is the data that is here. Um, and I'm wondering why what we are supposed to do with it. Uh, and I'm tired though. Okay, that's one question. Then second question is what I don't even know, Sha. The second thing is this particular thing I've done, this query now, what I will do is I will send it again to the group. So when you get yours, kindly create a database, import the files like I did, open this in your database, this particular one in your database, and change anything you want to change, because if you send this one to them, it will be showing my name. I think the final thing we need to touch on is that was that one called sef, that remote. And thankfully this girl said she copied all the column. So I'm going to forward the columns now to the group, and then we can start working on answering this one so that we know we are done. These are the two major things giving us headache. Then tomorrow everybody can put flesh to whatever thing. Oh, oh Jesus. Mommy, you don't go backstage again. He has even gone.
So sorry, Regina.
Hmm?
So the name, like your own is showing your name. So we are supposed to change the name to ours.
No, you don't change the name. Just create it. See, I called my database Regina's internship project. That's why it's showing there. So whatever you name your database is what is going to show there.
Is it under owner or database name?
Here, see it under my data. We have different database. This particular, when I showed you how to create database, my database name, this is what I called it.
Okay. Then what about owner? Under there is something like owner. What did you then do
Where?
when you were creating the database?
Where are you seeing that one from? Okay, that one I didn't touch anything. I didn't do anything to it. I only
So it should
added
be
name.
on default.
Yes, just leave it. Do it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
just
Yeah,
that
also, no
I was kind of busy then, so I didn't really know the steps that you took.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh Jesus. I want to open the Power BI internship questions and move from there.
Are you guys hearing me?
Okay, this is the one. Yes. So this is the
So
question now. This question, please, we should have it too because we are going to start immediately on this particular data, whatever. We are going to just be working on our own and whatnot. Okay, there's something that let me Power BI. It has opened. I want to open my Pi data. You know, there was that question on predict 5 years one thing. Mohammed actually showed me how to do it today. So I would show that one when we are done with this one. See. Oh Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
hello.
Hi.
Yeah, what's up with the other this thing? What did we now agree on?
Which one?
The second question of that SQL. You know, I was being thrown
I've
out.
not done anything. I just loaded it there and left it because I really don't know right now what they
Um,
want. Because that question I don't I there's no it's looking like that football question for me.
I want take.
My dear. Na exam abi? I don't
You
do
have
my
been,
best.
you have been asked to investigate the current design of the database.
Mm.
Um, now wetin we wan follow now this thing say na 11 steps. Be how many steps ChatGPT talk sef?
Na him come
I forgot that we were buying milk.
Like network don't throw this girl out sef.
Hello.
Yeah, you're back.
Yeah, I didn't even know network took me out. So as I was saying, I know where these question answers are gotten from, but it's quite annoying because the sentences are long and all the things when I do no work, and for all intents and purpose all the questions I ask now only our group sef na even dey try clean the data. So we are the only ones that encounter that problem. Other people not clean data o.
Hmm.
So I posted the I will tell you exactly where the questions are these answers are to be gotten from so that you can remind me as I'm going through it. That's why I sent that in class. They say how has COVID pandemic impacted the amount of work done remotely? What can be expected post pandemic? So for this one, we will need questions from. Okay, I need to go back or need to go back and
Hi, what?
pivot all of them. This particular data they gave us is a live working data, and nobody works with a live working data with download. There's something called scraping. They not even teach us. That's what you do. You scrape the data with only the website. That's what you would have put in. There's a way you put it here. Everything will be there. You don't even need to. Your system will be so fast, eh? In this modern world that we are in today, who does all this one of getting million rubbish nonsense unnecessary data putting it there?
They
So
just carry this.
how many days of my life I cannot get back. They just can't come off from my hand. I'm so annoyed there.
It be like that. You just go where the answer is. They change this thing they can't use them.
I think I already asked this question on ChatGPT. Let me see. I can't remember self. Don't say. Even ChatGPT self, e go rest for my hand. As in, so I'm sorry, ChatGPT dey tell me when don give me such a thing no work, I'll come back and say this thing you gave me did not work. Can you correct it? You go you go come write I'm sorry. Mm, this was when I was studying for that scholarship exam. I can't just like na this the hell this na make me never travel go home. I don suppose travel, school don close. But no light for house if I travel now, so I just wan finish this thing here. Apologies for the confusion, you are right. Of course, I'm always right. See it here. Okay, this is it. Use a line chart or stacked to show the percentage of remote work over time.
Over time. That means,
So we're
do we
looking
have
for
any?
percentage, the ones that have percentage of remote work between this and this and this and this. It is there. Oh, this particular thing is in that I cleaned it. Oh, anyways, let's go back now. Let's take table first. Table. See the annoying things. Shebi you see wetin person go come dey find. How I wan take come dey find all these things now.
If, for example, out of 5 questions, you person answer 4, person that be that.
Abeg, what did I wish this thing was open here. I would have sent it. What did it say? Percentage of
Really,
work over time.
over time, yes.
That question is here somewhere. I'm just looking for it now. Hmm.
How
Please be
has the
looking.
COVID-19?
Please be looking through the column names on the group too to help me be fast on it. Like which of them has those kind of questions?
Okay.
Sure, this one I did this one. This was the one. I don't know. Ah, we can't do the things that we were supposed to do here. Things like what's that thing called? Like splitting. But why this thing not get split? For real though.
The, this thing.
Yeah, why not get split? Because Excel self get something like that.
Yes. To split column.
Yes, Excel you
Okay.
can.
I think you can split column per column number.
No, not Power Query now. Power Query you can split from outside Outside
Okay.
for ordinary Excel, you fit split.
Okay, mean the oh yeah, but inside the Power BI you can't.
Okay, make I take that one first. Yes. Please check the columns. So I posted them there.
Ah, well, so they see something on. Imagine COVID-19 is cured or eradicated. How much of your work time?
Those are prediction.
Yeah. Where is the other one?
We'll use that one, Sha. We'll use that one. I'm looking for remote work, something on that remote work input self. Check on 2021. I think that's where I am looking for something that has something on. I need to do something I'm not using now. Is Chisom out?
Yeah.
She just sent me a message.
Thank you, Gina. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
think um I think is at the which one is this one? Thinking about your experience this year on a day you players available. How many hours or more? Kiskia, I am so exhausted.
Um,
Let me see what this one looks like. Um, hmm. Oh, measures. Let's create some new measures. New measures. Um, um, for so that's what they call people that fill interview, right? They call them correspondents.
Yes.
Listings, listings count of
Ah, they flex like this.
no be small thing na to find the person house go follow am sef right now. Then what else can we do? Distinct count of industries. Okay.
Gina, which one are you doing now? I dey see measure.
I'm just doing measures, yes, measures that we can use.
Oh, oh God.
Mm,
Sorry, Tis, I'm sorry. I'm just seeing your message.
okay,
No
let me come
wahala.
back to this one. So instead of response ID here, I will use that measure we created. You see what has happened? Do you see the difference that it made?
Yes.
Yes.
Because now it is counting distinctly. It is not counting one person many times. What we was doing before is that one person answered so many questions. It
Yes.
was counting that person according to the number of times the person answered that question. This is where measures are helpful. Mhm. So this is what was that question again, sef? Tired already. I'm tired. Um
I think the question is how has
impacted the amount of work done remotely.
yes.
This is for 2020, if I'm not mistaken.
20.
Yes. Now there's supposed to I want to do another one for 2021. Let's see how so that's I'm looking for I'm looking for this same question in 2021. Please, who can find it? So let me know. I'm looking for something that answers this same question. I know this same question was in 2021, but I don't know where it is in 2021.
Okay. Then
What is the exact question? Let me look for
Like
it.
amount of time spent working remotely for the past how many months?
Okay.
Something about 3 months.
Hey, okay.
Because that will help us compare 2020 against 2021.
We are looking for
I think
20.
it's number 11. This
In
I guess
2021.
that is the
No,
second one you posted, right?
I don't even know. They just copied that thing and gave to me. I just copied it too.
You know, it
Hmm.
has. You sent the first one. I think the first one is the first one 2020.
Oh,
that's
they did
it.
not even state. They did not state. Oh, they did not state.
Because in the second forward, number 11 is saying, thinking about your current job, how much of your work time have you spent working remotely this year?
Okay, so let me see.
That's what number 11 is
Okay,
saying.
I think that one is 2021. Then that's the one you just read now, because this first
Yes.
one here is talking about how long have you been in your current job.
Okay. You know, she
So
was
that
saying
means
whether we'll
one,
see the same question in 2021.
yes, that means the one you read now is just 2021. Then
One,
this one
yes.
here is 2020.
But if I see that one, I can use it too.
Because in this one now, the number 11 is saying how long have you been in your current job.
No, that's
And
job
I
tenure. No, that's not
yes,
what I want.
and I think 2021 has more data than 2020, right?
Yes, 2021 has more data.
I think number 11 and number, if it is 2020, that's number.
I think I found it too.
Number 11, right?
It's not number 11, it's somewhere.
Number 40. So
It's showing like this because I know why it's showing like this. I need to do another measure for
21.
21.
2021 because yes, that measure I did. It's not the same set of people they interviewed for 2020 that they interviewed for 2021 because I checked the date, the year of birth did not match. 2021 equals to distinct count 2021. See all the problem person dey go through. If
Hmm.
this thing had loaded, nobody will be thinking of this. Okay, so I have to take this correspondence off and replace with, you see it now.
Yes.
So this one is, then this one, what does this one say? Correspondence by remote work
Remote.
input.
Oh my goodness, this one.
Shout like that. Thinking about your current job.
Okay, it's clear. I can see the difference here. The highest was between, let's look at it here. The highest number was they spent less than 10% of their time working remotely, and very few of them spent up to 90% of their time
Working.
working remotely. That was 2020. Oh. Now for 2021, see, the highest percentage spent 100% of their time working remotely. So we can see the contrast. Okay, we will decide wetin we wan talk later. Let's work. I will just send this whatever I'm doing here to the group. I don tire. Okay. I'm stretching myself. um what can be expected, so this what can be expected post pandemic, it's a review that we will individually write. You know where you used to, I think I will show us that one, this place where you have all this title.
Yes.
Yes, you, or maybe when you put them together you can now put a text box on top and say, looking at this blah 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 blah, it can be seen that
Like,
there's an upsurge of people working remotely now. So moving on, it is expected that even more people will opt to work,
we work remotely.
something like that. So I'm going to leave this one here. Let's say this one has answered the first question, although it's
Yeah.
not organized or arranged properly. But if I can get all this here, and I believe if I send it, everyone can individually make the best of it, because I really would like to sleep. So let's try and answer all the questions. Don't
Let me check.
tire.
I think number two talked about productivity, right?
What did he say?
Number two
Does working
says,
remotely positively impact productivity? Are there other any other benefits? Now this is where I'm really this one helping me pass it, because it was part of those cleaning whatever thing. Ajumo.
I think that one is in
Right.
number 40 some, is in number 40 something.
So yes, for this one I think we can get our answers from 2021. Let me get a table. A table. Of course, we will need where's that thing we created? 2020. We are hiding between 2021. They talk about productivity, ba?
Yeah, checking it now. Then 108, the last, the extreme end of the listing of the data for 2021.
I think that's what I picked now. See it? That's what I picked. This one says, compare your productivity. when you work remotely to when you work at your employee's place. Roughly, how productive are you each hour when you work remotely? Okay. So for this one, we can use,
Let me check for the next answer to the next question then. While you work on that one.
okay, let me
It's on
see
top
what
here.
ChatGPT means. Productivity impact. Use a, how do I show this? I always like all these cards things, but how do I show it? Use a bar chart or stacked column to compare productivity ratings, e.g. Okay, this question. Okay, this question, I know this question. Let me look for it. Okay, these are the questions. These are the answers. These ones that has hours, that compare hours of, attend your workers place, go out, go out, go out, go out. Okay. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now these two tables are comparing. I don't know what they're comparing. So they are comparing time that has been time spent on different things. This thing right now is annoying. It's not the right visual for it, but because of that start column charts. Then yes, this one I just put now is this time usage. It's time usage, but because of the issue of that thing not working, it's making it difficult.
God.
Yes, this one I just put now is number four's answer. You can actually ask it to give me 10 so that I can pick and merge and match. So we've answered number one. Now, does working positively remotely positively impact productivity? Have we answered that one?
I think we've answered it.
Have we?
Yes, we've answered that one.
Okay.
You've seen it
What
right?
are the biggest barriers to overcome? Like this thing, so this question was so simple, but since what it is, I can't kill myself. Person fit do. So let me leave this one here. See one
So we are
video of
going
tableau. If na tableau go just dey help you dey size am.
honestly.
Dat lady no just help us at all for tableau. I'm just putting it so that when I send it, anyone can decide that they want to use it. Another thing is biggest barriers. I think biggest barriers are in 2021, I think.
Number 53.
Is this in 2021?
So remote working improved or worsened over the past 6 months.
Okay. Yes. This is one
50, so yeah, 50,
of
sorry,
them.
I think it's from 53. It's from 50, number 50, 2021. Check 50, this thing, column. Should I check for the number four answer?
Yes, please.
Okay. What is the question? What are the biggest? Okay, that's the barrier.
That's the one I'm taking already.
Okay. Okay, number
It's
three.
just
How does employee use of time differ from okay? Use of time, use of
that's
time, use
that
of
one
time.
I was doing. See, I don't like the way this thing is
It's mixed up.
showing.
Oh God.
Mm-hmm. This is perfect for this one. This one is this tunnel, a bit whatever is perfect for this one, for the
Alright.
barrier. Let me see whether I can use tunnel for this one too, if it will come out fine. Mm-mm. It's too much. Well, let's see if it there. Which other one is there again?
Asị m na ọbịa na-ekwu okwu.
I think we've done positive impact, right?
Yes.
We've done employee use of time. Have you done that one?
Yes, 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 I've done. That's that one in that. Those two I did.
Okay,
One is
then
for use of time for remote. The other one is use of time for on site.
okay, this one said, what are the biggest barriers to overcome if remote work becomes the norm in the future?
That one is we writing a feedback on that tunnel one I just did.
I think that's all. That's all the demand analysis demand access to write to
And
look for.
so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to just save this now and immediately send it on the group. I'm tired. So those that, if you still have chance this night, you can work on it. If not, you can work on it tomorrow. And this is the last Power BI one. I think tomorrow I want to sleep. I will sleep. After they said tomorrow, they did not say any time tomorrow. Wait, where did I save this one herself? Let me know where everything is saved so that I can send. Mm, okay, see it here. This is the query one we did. Then the other one, where is it?
Which one?
I'm looking for the remote. Okay, it's here. Abi? So I don't go close you. So I open it. Okay, let me open it and be sure. I want to be sure it is the one I just did so that I can.
we've restocked the new 14 Pro Max Android version. As you can see, it's very sleek, very sleek, very high resolution. Storage space is 512 gigabytes and the RAM is 12 gigabytes RAM. It's very sleek.
No. So I'm going to end the broadcast now. Then share. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm with you, Gina.
Okay, I'm going to end the broadcast now. Then share the files on the group and also share the.
Who be this person, I beg?
Oh Lord. So I'll share the Power BI and the query this thing. So whoever is there, they have chance and they have space, they can start working on it or what. But me, I want to shall sleep.
Man, I sleep. I dey go sleep now. I'm not gonna